সবাই আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছে। জানি না খাবারগুলো খেতে কেমন হবে।
So to this restaurant size meal, dad and clothes.
Ordered what I like to eat, like kebab.
If you want the recipe, that is that Wassalama.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম, কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকের দিনটা খুবই স্পেশাল। কেন স্পেশাল সেটা নেয়া ফারানা বলতে চাই। আজ আমরা শারজাতে এসেছি, কিছু শপিং করলাম, অনেক খিদে পেয়ে গেছে, চলে এসেছি রেস্টুরেন্টে। রেস্টুরেন্টটা খুবই সুন্দর, জানি না খাবারগুলো খেতে কেমন হবে।
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, today is special because today is my mom and dad's anniversary. That's why we came to Sharjah and also to this restaurant. This restaurant was looking good, but I don't know how the food will taste. So we couldn't decide what to order, but then we ordered a family size meal that includes many types of kebabs, and we also gave naan, bread and chicken soup that we currently am eating, and we also ordered biryani. Yeah, so we're waiting for our order to come, and the view is also great from here. I mean, you can see, right? Yes, our order came. So there are many types of kebab, and we also got the naan.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Mom ordered what I like to eat, like kebab. There are many kebab and bread, and one of my favorite food, biryani. And my mom doesn't like much to eat kebab. She like Bengali food,
Like mutton curry, egg, fish, that all sweets. She likes to eat that all. We did shopping after coming here. We went to malls, and my dad also gave my mom a dress. He bought her a new dress. Not only dress, many new things. And we also did some shopping of many things. And like in the morning we got up early, and then we came to Sharjah, and then that's why we are tired and we were very hungry. So we came to this restaurant because it was the nearest. The food is not bad. It's like we didn't expect it to be so good. It's honestly very nice.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked, and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me.
all the food were very tasty and yummy, but some food was extra for us and we were full. That's why my mom took it in parcel. Then we came back home and my mom made chocolate for us and it's ready. She's taking out and she gave me one. and it is very tasty.
If you want the recipe, then comment down below. I'm sure that my mom will make one recipe video for you. And honestly, it looks so beautiful. The shape is also very fine, and the taste is also just as same. And I'm sure that you also want to try it, because it will be not that hard making chocolates at home. Then you can make chocolates anytime. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, Masalama, bye bye.
Bye bye. Masalama.